Hey you guys, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And today we are talking about all affordable beauty products that you should be on the lookout, and I suggest you grab up when you find them. So if you want to know more about that, hit that subscribe button, give me a little thumbs up, let me know that you're liking these videos, and share this with somebody that you think might like it. Alright, so let's do it. So this is my collection of current affordable beauty products that I think you guys definitely should give a go. These are incredible prices and the performance of these products is fantastic, and I am just like kind of blown away, and I've been using these products for a little while now. So let's start with skincare. All right, so this is something that I actually haven't talked about on my channel before. This is the and I think it's Prime. I don't know exactly how to say P-R-E-M. Is it just Prime? I actually bought this at Target, and what this is something interesting. It has hyaluronic acid in it and a couple of antioxidants, but what they call this an in-shower face pack. So if you find yourself being dehydrated, since we are going to be going into the fall, autumn, and winter months, if you find yourself needing a little bit of a brightening effect to the skin, a little bit of a hydration, I should say a lot of bit of hydration, and you don't want to spend more time with serums and all that business, this is something you do in the shower. So what you do is you basically cleanse your skin, and then you either dry it off or have it wet. I don't dry my skin off when I use this. I just use it wet, and you apply a liberal amount all over your skin. I use it all the way down my neck, and then what I do is I shampoo my hair and I, do the rest of my body, and then you rinse it off, and your skin feels like a baby's bottom. You guys, it is incredible, and it's really taken some of the steps away for me as far as super hydrating serums that I've been using. I think it will really help during the winter as well, because my skin has just been feeling really nice and hydrated from it. I love this product. So I've been using this product now for, I don't know, I'd say about a month, and I've really been enjoying it. I don't use it every day. It's just when my face feels really kind of needs an extra boost of hydration, and I will definitely probably be using this more in the winter, but this is actually 6.08 fluid ounces. So this probably would last you probably 6, 7, 8 months, or at least, me, and it's only $25, and it's a Korean-based brand. It is a fantastic brand. It has no alcohol in it. The ingredients look really good, actually, and so I was excited to share this with you. All right, so now for other skincare, Wamsa by Glow Recipe, they sent me these. This is fantastic. This is the Charcoal Chai Tea Pore Refining Glow Pads. Now, I've only been using these a couple of times. And how I've been using them is obviously not the days that I use my face pack, because I usually use this during the day, and when I'm not taking something off for using my, Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads or this or something like that, because you don't want to take this off of your skin by using an exfoliator. But I've been using this at night, and for the past couple of days, I really love this. This does not feel stripping, so this might be a great exfoliant for you guys. I'm going to try to show you here. If you guys are more sensitive. So they come in these little pads. You just stick your hand in here and you work this around the skin. Now, we know that charcoal has a detoxifying factor to the skin, so that's why it's great for pore size, overall texture on the skin, but it also is not stripping. That's the one thing I really wanted to pull your attention to. So if you aren't finding a good exfoliation method, this is a very gentle physical exfoliation as well as acid exfoliation. It has chai tea in it, which is an antioxidant as well as a hydrator and a skin soother. So it is fantastic for people that have sensitive skin that need something that's a little bit more gentle, and they still want that kind of detoxifying effect from charcoal, and they still want a little bit of exfoliation. You can use this every day. I would use these at night like I do, but there's really nothing in this that doesn't say that you can't use these during the day. But I have really been enjoying these. So they're new to Wamsa by Glow. They're new to the Glow Studio or Glow Recipe by Wamsa. Okay. All right, so and then this mask from my dear friends, who's also a Korean-based brand. This is called Star Skin. This is a hydrating Bio-Cellulose second skin face mask. It's basically what I use if I have an event that I am going to. I want my skin to look plump and hydrated. It's a more of an instant gratification mask. It does have hyaluronic acid in it. It does have Bio-Cellulose, which is formulated with naturally fermented, I told you, you guys are going to see these more often, fermentation, which we know is a probiotic, prebiotic situation of coconut juice, not coconut oil, coconut juice, which is hydrating to the skin, and basically leave it on for 20 minutes. It's like when I do my hair, and then I apply my makeup over it. It's so, so good, and I love, this is one of my favorite masks that they make. Okay, and then my last one for skincare, I guess I could call it skincare, I don't know, but this is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. This is only $8, and this is the antioxidant rich skin protection. There is no phthalates, parabens, or alcohol in this. This is very similar, less hydrating, but very similar to the Tatcha Dew Skin Mist. It has a fantastic pump on it. You do want to hold this one a little bit farther away because it is a little bit more aggressive of a spray. Feels really good. It's antioxidant rich, so it actually helps protect your skin against pollution while you're wearing it. It's definitely more of a rehydrator for the skin. It's not a setting mist, but it's definitely perfect for our more colder months when our skin is feeling dehydrated throughout the day. I mean, it's $8. It has hardly any scent to it, and it has antioxidants, which is going to protect our skin from environmental aggressors, pollution, UV, all of that good stuff. So I have really, really been loving that. All right, and then to go on to some makeup goodies, this palette actually from e.l.f. This is called the Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette. I want to show you. So I don't love the packaging. I wish the packaging was thinner, but it is sturdy, so it's great for travel. But I think the colors in this are so, so gorgeous. It has a great range of purples and then warm tones. I just think this is a great palette. You know that I really wholeheartedly believe in the e.l.f. shadow formulas. They have some great, great palettes for so affordable. This is one of my favorites because I do feel that I could travel with this. I actually did travel to LA with this, and I can get like a real nice purpley smoky eye, and then, you know, just a nice natural eye. These are all matte except for these, this one right here and these two. So you do have some mattes and some shimmers in here, but I've really, really, really been loving this palette. All right, and then what I have on for my lips right now is this new CoverGirl lipstick. Now I've beat it to all get out. It's all messed up, but it is so beautiful. It feels so hydrating on this, on the lips. That's all I have on right now, and it is the cream. It's the cream formula, and this is 235 in champagne. And I love this. They came out with all new shades and all new finishes, and this is just one of those hydrating formulas that I absolutely love, and this has been in my purse for probably close to a week now, and I haven't stopped using it. I love this color. This is new from Flower Beauty. This is Lash Warrior, and this is actually in brown. We never talk about brown shadows, and it's because I can't find an affordable one that I really enjoy, but I love the brush. I love the color brown that this mascara is, because sometimes the brown formulas can be a bit dingy and not enhance the eyes. This is a warmer kind of brown, and so what it's going to do is it's going to enhance those eyes, give a little bit more of a softer effect, and it's really great for really anybody that wants a more natural lash line, but especially for people that are really, really fair complected and can't usually wear a black because it looks very, very stark on them. So this is a great place to start. This is a fantastic formula. Again, I love the brush and I love the color. So that is my current affordable beauty products that I think you guys must have, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know and let our community know if you guys have any other great suggestions that are out there for affordable beauty products that we need to check out, and I will see you guys on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, you guys.